हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ओवर द मोबाइल फ़ोन। मैं रवि दितलिया आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ टॉप 25 इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी वर्ड्स विच विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू enhance your English vocabulary as well as your English fluency. So let's start with the first word, candidate. It means उम्मीदवार. The second word is discipline. It means अनुशासन. The third word is precaution. It means सावधानी. The fourth word is problem. It means संकट. The fifth word is describe. It means वर्णन करना. The sixth word is honor. It means मालिक. The seventh word is danger. It means खतरा. The eighth word is glory. It means वैभव. The ninth word is poison. It means जहर. The 10th word is superstition. It means अंधविश्वास. The 11th word is mercy. It means दया. The 12th word is talent. It means प्रतिभा. The 13th word is turban. It means पगड़ी. The 14th word is aroma. It means सुगंध. The 15th word is bog. It means दलदल. The 16th word is fog. It means कोहरा. The 17th word is knot. It means गांठ. The 18th word is risk. It means जोखिम. The 19th word is storm. It means आंधी. The 20th word is patriot. It means देशभक्त. The 21st word is atmosphere. It means वायुमंडल. The 22nd word is emotion. It means भाव. The 23rd word is culture. It means संस्कृति. The 24th word is tribe. It means जनजाति. The 25th and last word is tragedy. It means त्रासदी. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, subscribe and share for more videos.